Imagine waking up every morning immersed in the eternal charm of Sicily, this enchanting property at 37 Center. Pirato Cava Maria makes this dream a reality. Planning a generous 160 square meters across a cleverly designed single floor, this unique home blends authentic Sicilian character with space and versatility, creating something truly extraordinary. Step inside and let the soul of southern Italy transport you. Exposed wood beam ceilings soar majestically, casting warm shadows on terracotta floors that tell a story of centuries-old craftsmanship. Arched doorways frame intimate hallways, inviting you to delve deeper into this characterful home, while sconces and elegant pendant lamps add a romantic golden glow to every corner. The spacious living and dining rooms offer unparalleled flexibility for entertaining, relaxing, or completely reimagining the layout to suit your vision. Sunlight floods the rooms through the large windows, adorned with rich green curtains, creating a warm atmosphere and a connection to the vibrant landscape outside. The kitchen, framed by original stone walls and a stunning wood-beamed ceiling, is a blank canvas ready to welcome your personal touch, whether a sleek, modern renovation or the rustic, country-style kitchen of your dreams. The master bedroom offers an oasis of serenity, while the 3 bathrooms ensure comfort and convenience for both residents and guests. This is more than just a property, it's an invitation to embrace la dolce vita, to restore, to create, and to live joyfully in one of Sicily's most enchanting settings. Your Mediterranean story begins here. The property is fully fenced, has a large underground cistern, and a large courtyard paved with traditional Modica stone. The total surface area of the property is approximately 1,500 square meters, of which 160 square meters villa, 600 square meters courtyard and terraces, 800 square meters orchard with approximately 30 productive olive trees, 10 fruit trees and various palm trees.
For more information call Valeria Fantozzi, International Real Estate Specialist in Sicily.